Stop sign. So at this stop sign, whenever you will approach, make sure that you will come to a complete stop before solid white line. Then look for the traffic from left side. Watch for the right side. If somebody is crossing, let them go first. Inch forward. Scan both sides again properly. And then proceed when it's safe to do so. So at this stop sign, your visibility gonna be very low, and other people, they're not gonna stop. So it's your responsibility that you will stop, you will watch, and you will proceed when it's safe to do so. Stop always. So under stop sign it says always, so that means everybody has stop sign, and they're gonna come to a complete stop. So whoever will come first, they will go first. Make sure that whenever you approach to this stop sign, come to a complete stop before solid white line. You will watch for people from both sides and you will give them priority. And then after that, you will watch for traffic from left, right, left. Watch for oncoming traffic, and whenever it's safe to do, proceed. Always stop sign. Whoever will come first, they will go first. So come to a complete stop, scan both sides, and proceed when it's safe to do so. So we are approaching to Stop-Allway. So whoever will come first, they will go first. So come to a complete stop before solid white line, and then scan both sides, watch for traffic, and proceed when it's safe to do so. So whoever will come first, they will go first. So now we are approaching to a stop sign. So come to a complete stop before solid white line. Scan both sides. Now our visibility is not good, so we're gonna inch forward and proceed when it's safe to do so. Stop-Allway again. So come to a complete stop before solid white line. 3 seconds count, and then proceed when it's safe to do so.